Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tip, I'll show you how to add headings in Google Sheet. First, select the row where you want the heading. Typically, you'll use the first row for this. Click on the number 1 to highlight the entire row. Now type your heading in each cell. For example, in cell 1, type name, in B1, type age, and so on. To make your heading stand out, highlight the row and then click the bold icon up here or press Ctrl B or CMD plus B of mic. For easier navigation, especially with large sheet, you can freeze the heading tool. For that, go to View, then Freeze, and select one row. You can also change the background color or text color by using the paint bucket icon or text color icon in the toolbar. And that's it. You have clear, organized heading in your Google Sheet. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.